here. I'm back with another one. Let's go.
Yes, sir. It's your boy, you know, G's, you know,
Today on the show, I
G.
react to
Really,
police
nigga?
chases. They got a Dodge Charger outsmarting the trooper. A stolen Charger. Shout out to LRH and Cash for the video. If the cops catch the bad guy, then I clap it up for him. I have a donut. I don't have a donut today, though. The guy who's running, he's doing that shit pretty successfully.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie.
He is good.
He got a good gap. Yeah, like, where is it at? Like, at this point, where is it at? Okay, I don't know.
Sure, the trooper keeping up.
Yeah, it's definitely not a game having a
Yeah.
trooper chase your ass.
Yeah, he's keeping up. That's nice.
I'm betting this right now. He about to do a do-si-do. He about to get off the freeway. And then he about to get right back on. Yeah. I knew it. This is like textbook running from the police.
Yeah.
If you had like enough space to where the cop didn't see you, that's when you would bust the left and go down, back down that way. You know, on,
Use the shit they have to your advantage.
but right.
Yeah. Imagine he
He was
was
so
max
close to
out.
that sign,
I'm about to
yeah.
say, man, he was max.
How did he not hit that?
Bro, he's gone. Okay.
Right. He know he got 5 stars. Here we go.
Bro, he's gone. Piece of shit. Hopefully, the nigga got gas.
Yeah. That gotta be a swap or something.
Oh, I got my beamer being worked on again. About to get some new shit. Let's go.
That's what the brake check.
Just go. There's nothing he can do. Oh, he got off on him. He got off on him. He's gone.
Yeah.
He got off on him. He's gone. He's gone. You're not. Yeah, you're.
See,
He's
in
gone.
this case,
He's going in the ward. I missed the exit.
he got off on his ass. Damn, no donut today for the cop. Even if they caught him later and sent a video, I'm not with that. It's your way.
I don't think. No, yeah, he's gone.
Damn, he just hit the lights.
The boys is on.
A lot
Oh.
of units looking for him. Y'all see him?
Nigga finesse a bird. Hey, for street, nigga finesse a bird.
That driving on the wrong way of the street is that too catchy. Cops just go into creative mode and do whatever they want. Apparently. But not this time. They had those powers, but couldn't use them to catch this nigga in the second gen Charger. Like,
Yeah, it's good.
it wasn't like a Hellcat or anything. You just juked him out. Yeah, that's weird. But anyways, if y'all could drop how many likes?
Give me like 3 likes.
3?
3 likes
Come on.
on the video. Give us 3 likes.
And
1,
then-
2 comments.
Come on. Where can they find you, bro?
You can find me at The Real Noah G on YouTube. That's
Okay.
capital T, capital N, capital G.
Alright, I'm gonna put it on the screen.
Gotcha. But yeah. That's some fun
And
shit.
we gonna be doing more content outside at the desk.
Yeah.
And yeah,
IRL.
it's JTSpeeds and I'm out.
Bitch playing with her nose.